This is going to be a short video regarding how you could draw the QQ plot that we have mentioned in the previous video using StatCrunch. We have talked about the QQ plot, and I believe you guys could agree that this is a very helpful and useful tool to help us check whether the population follows a normal distribution or not. Then how could we use that using our statistical software? So let's take a look at an example using the coffee data that we have been using. So this is the real data that we have been using in our hypothesis test handout. It's just in our previous questions, I've been giving you the summarized data, the sample size n equals 10 and the sample standard deviation is 58.5, and that is the raw data. Now, if we copy and paste that data into StatCrunch, just paste it in the first column here, and we go to graph, QQ plot, and it asks you to select the columns where your data is, and our data resides in this var1 column, so that's variable 1, and I'm going to leave all those options unchecked. You could play with the color, the title, and so on. Let's just go with the simplest QQ plot. Compute. This is the QQ plot you have seen in our example. You see, this is the example that we have seen in our note. This is the QQ plot. See, it's quite similar, right? So again, the x-axis is the normal quantile from a theoretical normal distribution. The y-axis is the sample quantile. If if it's reasonable to believe the population follows a normal distribution, we will see all those blue dots from the real sample data will be very close to this upward sloping right line, and this is what a normal distribution should behave. And if your dots are close to this line, then it's reasonable to believe your distribution comes from a normal distribution. And we can see that it looks quite good. So this is how you could use StatCrunch to draw the QQ plot.